So we got some well-needed rain last night. It rained a lot last night. Man, it's been really dry here where we're hunting at. And we had a whole lot of luck last 4 times we went. Chased 2 bear, and one of them got hung on a high wall. Well, both of them got stuck up on the high walls, hung dogs on high walls. But anyhow, we're gonna give her another try here this morning, see what happens, and get there and meet the gang. I got my good luck charm with me this morning. Old Clint Daniel.
I'm
You ready to
a
go?
good luck charm.
You're not a good luck charm?
I am.
Oh, you are. Okay.
How about coming good luck charm?
Huh?
How about coming good luck charm?
Well, want me to paint you? Want to make you a leprechaun?
Yeah.
Okay. Got everybody here. Loaded. Everybody unloaded. Chris. Anything coming, Hunter? Got PJ and Truman unloaded up here. Alright, y'all go ahead, turn them loose. Alright, I know y'all like turning them loose. You guys' permission slip signed again. Twice this summer, ain't bad, is it? We got them all emptied out. We're all spread it out. Old Hunter driving me, got Clint driving me, and got Jenny behind me, and Clint, and Hunter. So hopefully Clint don't wreck it, we'll find one here. It's gonna be a good day. Rainy day, it's starting to rain. Like it rain. You ready to wiper, are you, buddy? Give you guys a quick run down here. Been riding for a little bit. 7:30. Still haven't found anything. You gotta get out of the mud, Bob. Now look. Really?
What?
Get us out of the ditch.
No, it won't.
Ask kids, son. He loves to drive. Sometimes he gets squirrely on me, but anyway, what I was saying, we got four vehicles out. I don't know, this might be moving real good due to the rain last night. It came a good thunderstorm, but we need the rain, so we're still beating around here. Try to find one, ain't we, Clint?
Yeah.
Huh? You got old Hunter over there. Better not go to sleep today, boy. You hear me?
Yeah.
Go to sleep today, you know what's gonna happen, don't you?
No.
I'm gonna throw you out in a big mud hole and waller you.
No, I'm good.
Huh?
No.
Yeah, I guarantee me and Truman gets down in the mud hole. Huh? Think we can? They got another rig. We got 2 dogs on the ground. I think they're coming up toward the... You say they're coming up toward the clear cut, PJ? Yeah, some slug.
Yeah.
Okay. Get up here and see if we can't get cut in on this thing. We definitely got 2 bear running. Don and Roger getting fire hissing up behind Cheyenne. they're dealing with them other ones. The other ones are rolling. They're rolling out good. So hopefully we get some bear tree there and get it a little bit. Oh boy.
Yeah.
What's having fun?
Yeah.
What's having fun?
Yeah.
Some other dogs, they got him caught. PJ and him's going in there to him. We're down here in the bottom of the holler. Cheyenne crossed up here behind us, and they packed to her. So we're gonna see what happens with this group of dogs here. Got me and my sidekicks riding with me. Am I driving well today, guys? Huh? Can't hear you.
Yeah.
Huh? Y'all like this stuff? Do you? You like this, Clint? Huh?
Yeah, but not you driving crazy.
Not me driving crazy. You know, you're the one you the one driving, ain't Clint Hunter.
No.
Can you give me?
Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, she did it around that point. She's gonna come down across the blacktop. Want me to let her go or catch her? I got dogs coming in behind her.
They're walking this one. Get across this road though, we gotta stop it. Yeah, they're looking at it. I can hear Cheyenne while she's barking. Yeah, they're showing tree, they ain't tree. Tamed that dog on Cheyenne, she got one on it. She over baying on the ground, we tamed her. Hopefully she's coming in. We got one dog come in, I don't know how bad Leah's got a cut on it. We figured out here a little bit. Them other boys was walking into the trees, so Cheyenne, we tamed her. She's coming in. Get her off this thing. Go around the holler and help them boys out. Did what? Did what?
Guess where my Oreos are at?
Where?
They're in here hiding from Jason Truman.